Finally, I'll be able to have a snack with my favorite chicken balls. Oh no!
Oh my god, my chicken bowl! I have to do it again!
We'll have to make new ones. But first, I'll get rid of this. Straight to the wastebasket. Let's look in my refrigerator. And here's fresh chicken. I'll take off the film. And spread the meat on the board. Now, we need to cut it into thin slices, like this. Perfect. Now I'm working with my knife and making minced meat out of it. Let's put it into a bowl. I'm going to salt it. I'll add dry garlic and basil. Now I'll mix everything very, very carefully. And now, time for an egg.
Are you kidding me? Gotcha!
I'll break an egg right into the bowl. And now we need to beat it well. I'll add some water and beat it up again. I'll scoop up some minced meat and carefully shape it into a ball like this. Great! All the balls are ready. And I'll pour some cornflakes into this bowl over here. And some flour in this one. Now I take a bowl, roll it in flour, dip it into an egg, and then in cornflakes. It is necessary that the whole bowl is covered with them evenly. Ready. It remains to repeat the same with the other balls. A whole plate. I light a fire on the stove. And let's start cooking. We need to pour more oil into it. When the oil has warmed up, I begin to put the balls in there. And they're frying almost immediately. It remains to wait until a golden crust forms on them. Well, it seems ready. Now we can get them out and put them on a plate. There we go. Here's a whole plate of delicious chicken balls. Well, actually I put them in a bucket. And of course we're without french fries and ketchup. How delicious it turned out. What a perfect combination. Well, it's time to try it. Let's see. How delicious it is! And what about the potatoes? Not that either, but nothing could be tastier than these homemade chicken balls. Hello friends! Do you like Chupa Chups? Let's cook them! Which jam should I use? Green, orange, or yellow?
Green!
I'll take everything.
Strawberry jam! Let's do it!
I'll also make a strawberry one. It'll be red like a fresh strawberry. To begin with, I'll cut it with my knife. Oh, what a fragrance! My mouth is watering. I would have eaten it by now. Ready. Now I'll put it in a blender. Add sugar and water, just like that. Super! I'm turning it on. Wait, that's not all. To make jam, you need to heat strawberry jam on the stove. I'll also splash some more lemon juice and sprinkle some sugar. Look, the jam begins to boil and thicken. So, you can remove the pan from the stove. Now, I'll pass it through a sieve to remove the pulp. Great! Blue tea will come next. I'll pour boiling water over it first so that it brews. And cover it with a lid. Let it sit there. Hooray! To make a chupa chups, I'll pour sugar into a frying pan and pour some sweet syrup. Also some water and milk. It turned out to be a sweet base for future chupa chups. Finally, I can pour it into bowls. And add my awesome jams. The first chupa chups will be strawberry. The second from blue tea. The third from kiwi. The fourth from passion fruit. And the fifth is a marmalade one. Ta-da! It remains to fill the gem molds. Put the sticks into the holes, just like that, and put them in the freezer. Ready! I got real chupa chups. They look cool.
Yummy.
I'll try orange. Wow, how delicious! And now blue. Let's see how different it is. Wow, that's so cool! Hello, friends! Today, I will show you how to cook the perfect roast beef. Take fillet of beef and make it flat with a hammer. Oh, it's taking too long. To do this, we need a special tool. Let's take a hammer from Thor. I hope you won't mind. There we go. Hooray! With one hit. Now we can put the meat on a baking sheet and pour olive oil, salt, and pepper it. How delicious it smells! Perfect! It only remains to wait a little until it is ready. There we go! We proceed to kneading the dough. We'll need flour and an egg. Then, let's mix it up. I will add some milk. And mixing it again. Great! Let the dough stand in the refrigerator while we cut the raw potatoes. There we go. It's hard, but it cuts easily. Let's put it in a bowl and add some seasoning. I will add some salt and some thyme. It'll turn out cool. Mixing it all up. It is time to light a fire and fry it. I always pour oil on the pan so that nothing sticks to it. And here are the potatoes. It is necessary to stir it so that it is thoroughly fried on all sides and soaked in oil. Oh, it's ready! Cool! It's time to get our dough out of the refrigerator. Pour it into a mold and bake it in the oven. Hooray! Now let's cut the broccoli. And throw out the hard part. We don't need it. To make it delicious, we will add cream cheese and mozzarella. There we go. One ingredient after the other. And of course, don't forget to mix it. And here's our mozzarella cheese. Let it bake in the oven too. Ta-da! We have an awesome roast beef in front of us. It remains only to pour it with broth sauce and you can enjoy this delicious dish as from the best restaurant. Delicious! I'll try potatoes. And a piece of bun. That's what I wanted. It's a delight. And, of course, a drink.